Hello everybody, DreLR back again for another Fabric Wiki video tutorial. Today we're going to be looking very quickly once again at adding a custom tooltip to our item. We just got our game open here, so as I'm sure you're aware, tooltips are just pieces of information displayed underneath the name of your item. So win in main hand is a tooltip. Combat is also a tooltip. We're going to add our own little piece of flavor text to our creeper heart. So I'm going to exit out. We're going to go to our creeper heart item. We're going to override a pen tooltip. A pen tooltip just means, you know, they give you the basics like the item name in the tooltip, and then you add whatever you want to it, and you send it along its way. So I don't think this method does anything. Nope, that's an empty method, so we can get rid of this. I'm going to say list.add new translatable text mymod.creeperheart.flavortext. What am I doing here? What I could do is I could just pass in a string and have that like fully translated, ready to go. The problem is that that would only be for English users, and like if you're a Chinese person, there'd be no option to translate the flavor text. So instead what I do is I'll add a key in a translatable text object, which is translated when the tooltip is added, and then I can just add translations in my lang file. What I'm also going to do is, I believe it's chat formatting. I'm going to do green. Thought I could do this. Must not work like that. There's another option. I was going to try to make it green, but I did it incorrectly. I'll show you how. We go to our lang file. I'm going to copy my translation key here. What could we have as flavor text? Don't try to cook this. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to Google, look up Minecraft color codes. Let's look at all the color codes available to us. So in the creeper theme, I think it's appropriate that we have dark green. So I'm going to copy this chat code right here. I'm going to bring it over to my translation file. I'm going to put it in front of my translated text. We should be good to go here. I should also note, if you don't want to translate your text, you can add a literal text, which is just a string, so it doesn't have to be translated. I would not recommend doing that. You'll get a lot of angry people at your doorstep. And if we hover over our creeper heart, we see don't try to cook this, and it's green, which is just kind of funny. You can also do this with blocks. Of course, we have a block item, so we could override for block. You can add multiple lines if you want. All you have to do is just call list.add again. You can use other formatting things like the crazy text that a lot of people like, where the text spins around. You could do bold, underline, italics, whatever you want. That's about it. See you later.